This is what I would do if I was not making $1 million per month. In the past year, I took my e-commerce business from 0 to $10 million. If I was gonna start over, this is what I would do. 1, I would go on TikTok and find a problem-solving product like this one, or like this one. If you need help finding a product, I definitely recommend this video right here. Then I would create a TikTok account like this one, and I would create lots of viral videos for my product. You can also use this video right here to guide you making good videos. Then I would go to Shopify.com, start my free trial, and create a website around my product. Once it starts getting sales, I would go to AliExpress and find my product. Then I would ask the suppliers first if they do drop shipping and if they can ship with 4PX, which is super fast shipping. If the supplier says that they do drop shipping and they do ship with 4PX, then I send them all my customers' information and what they ordered. I would pay them with the money that the customer paid me to purchase the product. I would keep the difference, and then they would ship the product straight from their factory or warehouse to my customer without me ever holding inventory. If you're interested in learning more, definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me here.